Empanadas to me mean home, means connection, means care. I am originally from Bogota, Colombia. As a kid, I've always had sort of entrepreneurship bug. I sold candy, I made bracelets, but I didn't start saying, I'm going to build a frozen empanada manufacturing company and take this brand national. No. Georgetown played a key role in this process. I started this executive MBA at Georgetown, but I had this little side thing, right? And it turned out to be the perfect experiment for doing in parallel with the executive MBA, because you have all the theoretical material you're learning in class, and I was able to turn around and apply it to what I was doing, right? The Georgetown Entrepreneurship Initiative, I think, was key for me in learning how to be an entrepreneur.
I first met Margarita when she was a student at Georgetown, and she participated in our Summer Launch Incubator. So she spent her summer working on what became MasPanadas. She knew she had the talent, the ability to build a business, but I think the MBA gave her even more confidence that she knew what she was doing.
You really go into depth in understanding whether your business makes sense or not. I did various of the pitching competitions. I did Bark Tank, for example, and those were the first few decks, the first few chances to stand in front of people, to understand what works, what doesn't. I think for Georgetown, it was definitely clear. They try to link those two aspects, business and doing good.
You know, we believe in a concept we call entrepreneurship for the common good. So many of her team members are Hispanic women who have immigrated to the United States, like Margarita. She makes an effort to help them get a job. Some of them, she helps them with their first bank account or getting a GED or other things that are important in their life beyond just the work.
I love being part of this community, and it's so fulfilling. For me, the Jesuit values are core to this idea of community and supporting others. Georgetown helped to structure the process of laying that base that you need to then grow a business.